Saffron, the most expensive spice in the world, is known for its powerful medicinal properties. It contains high levels of specific antioxidants that protect cells from free radicals and oxidative stress. Saffron has been associated with several health benefits, including supporting optimal eye health. The high concentrations of natural carotenoids in saffron can help protect the retina and lens of aging eyes. Saffron has been found to restore the structure and function of retinal cells damaged by oxidative stress in age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Oral supplementation of saffron has also been shown to help with various eye conditions, such as glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, and retinitis pigmentosa.